Alright, now this is a pretty exciting month for the Samsung Galaxy phone users as well as Pixel users because Google has announced some incredible features on the Android 17 and Samsung has rolled out the stable One UI 8.5 and the One UI 9 beta program has already been opened up for a handful of countries. Yes, now the One UI 9 beta is open in Germany, South Korea, UK and most likely US as well. And Tarun What's on X has confirmed that India and Poland will be getting the One UI 9 beta in the second wave. As you can see, it says India and Poland, the second wave of launch countries, can participate in the beta program starting May 26th. So we will have to wait until May 26th. As you can see here, that's another 13 days to go for the official One UI 9 first beta. So it is going to be second beta in India and Poland. So it will be a slightly refined version of the first beta. But yeah, we will have to wait for another 10 to 13 days to get that beta as per this information. Now check this out. This is the One UI 9 update page, which look beautiful. It says One UI 9 in this gradient color. Here it says, welcome to One UI 9 beta, your chance to take an early look at the latest version of One UI. One UI 9 brings you exciting new features as well as upgraded personalization, productivity and security. Now this update is not as big as the One UI 8.5. Looking at the changelog, it looks like it is going to bring some improvements and some changes, but not as major as the One UI 8.5. Sam Mobile has shared the changelog here. We are getting more customizable quick panel now. You can now rearrange and customize the controls in your quick panel even more than before. You can change the size of the brightness and volume slider as well as the media player. You can also separate the sound mode button from the volume slider. Samsung DeX has got some enhancements. It's easier to move an app window from one desktop to another using the menu at the top of the window. Then we have got Do More with Notes. We have got a brand new Notes application with some new features. I will be getting the APK and showcase the new features, and I will share the APK with you guys. So stay tuned for the video about Samsung Notes. We have got some more settings in Game Booster panel now. You can adjust your game settings without stopping the action. You can now access screen resolution, screenshot format and more directly from the Game Booster panel. We have got location access transparency. Stay on top of your location privacy. A blue indicator will appear at the top of the screen when an application accesses your location. So that is something new here. Discover new accessibility feature. We have got a bunch of accessibility features here, which will be discussed once we get the beta. We have got physical keyboard shortcuts, mouse key enhancements, replace swipe with single tap, select to speak, improved talkback updates. These are all accessibility features which may not be that interesting for a lot of users out there. So as you can see, the changelog is not that great. These are some basic features on the first beta. Let's see what are the other features Samsung is going to add. Now, as far as I know, this update is going to be more about the AI features, especially from Google, because Google did announce some amazing Gemini features which will be coming to the Pixel phones and the Galaxy phones on Android 17, and we will have to wait for those features. They include creating your own widgets, an improved Google keyboard, autofill data, etc. Those are all some interesting features which will be coming to the Galaxy phones very soon. Now in one of my next videos, I will be sharing the brand new Samsung Notes application on One UI 9, and we'll also talk about all the new Good Lock features on One UI 8.5. Stay tuned for those videos, and if you're interested in this beautiful Samsung wallpaper, it's available on Wallverse application. You can just search for Samsung. You will see some beautiful Samsung wallpapers here on the application. And apart from that, there are tons of collections, beautiful free and premium wallpapers. Almost every day I keep adding new wallpapers. So go ahead, check it out, and do rate this app 5-star on Play Store. I would really appreciate that. And while you do that, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button if you find this video informative. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.